this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So today I received this Beebeecraft package and I am so excited because look at you guys, it comes so sealed up, and you guys know that whenever you guys get something from Beebeecraft, it is really sealed and it is really well protected. It is usually taped up very good and bubbled up. They do have a package list on the front of this package right here, so I will open that in a minute. So I just want to get this over and open it up so you guys don't see my address, and it's really tight in here, you guys. Sorry. And let me try to get my packing list, which I should have gotten from the beginning. I do apologize. There we go. And I guess they have, if you want to return your package or something, they have a return thing, which I am not going to return. And it, on the package list, it gives you a list of the items that you requested, or you were asking for, or you ordered. So let's go ahead and see. Oh my goodness. Let's try it this way, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And inside there's another package list with the actual pictures and the item numbers. So I will actually list everything down on the description below so you guys could go over and check it out. And then, so one of my first orders was some Halloween, and I believe there's some fall. These are like oh, how cute, like oh my goodness, what do they call them here? Let me see. They don't have a name for it, but it's like, oh my gosh, it's like, they're plastic. Oh my goodness, I don't know what they're called, but oh my goodness, how cute! Look at the owl. Look at that. How cute! It's like resin pieces, but they're actually plastic. There you go. So you have that. So you get 50 of those in here, and look at the scarecrow, how cute. And let me see, you get another owl. This is such a cute owl. And oh, one of the scarecrow's head fell. It's okay, because I could make it and do it another thing. So usually, oh, look at this one. Usually everything is all intact, all is together. It's very rare when you get something that is broken. Up to this point, I had not received anything that was broken. This is the first time, but I am sure we could glue it together. And let me see. Gotta check it out. Sorry, you guys. Oh, look at the haunted house. Oh my goodness. So it's a mixture. They're not all the same, and it's just basically you get what you get. And I am just checking something out, you guys. So there you go. So I received 2 pieces that were broken. I just wanted to let you guys know. And I only got one haunted house. And like I said, it's a mixture of whatever you get. So there you go. So I will be using these in a future project. And then I also got these. These are the let me see. They call them like, let me see. They're 2 like where you have your beads, the head of the beads. And what I like about it is it's double packaged. Like there was a plastic over it, and there's this thing over it. This little piece of tin, and then there you go. So it's a cap, a bead cap, is that what they're called? And I believe these are different sizes. So that's the big size, the small size, and this is the medium size. And you get 3 different colors. So you get the kind of like the not copper looking, the gold and the silver. So there you go. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so much fun to use. And there you go. It's about the same design, just different sizes. And there you go. And there you go. So exciting. So you use these on your bead caps, or for bead caps, or for tassels if you want to do tassels. And then also I got this piece of trim. It's a gold trim, all packaged up. It's all bundled up, and it is a nice, you guys could see all this trim right here. Oh, it is so beautiful, you guys. So for sewers, if you're a sewer, you could actually use this on a piece of clothing actually. So, oh wow, look at all the detail, you guys. Can you guys see that? Look at that. It's like a, wow, so much. And look at the shimmer to it with the beads right here, the, oh my god, the sequins. That is so pretty, you guys. Look at you guys. OMG. I can't wait to see what I am going to be working with this on. Oh my gosh. And you get a lot. I think it was, I want to say it was about 15 yards. It doesn't give me the basic description here, but I will link everything down under the description below so you guys could go over and check it out. And oh, look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I could have, oh, I was looking for it here. Can you guys see that? So beautiful. So much detail in here. Oh my goodness. So wow. So much detail. So yay. And then lastly, what I got was this leather faux. And it is an 8x12. And it should be 10 to 12 pieces, I believe. It might be 10 pieces. And oh my goodness, I didn't think it was going to be this glimmery. There's one. You guys could see 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. I did not expect it to be all this glimmery. Oh my gosh, and none of it falls on your hands. And it's a nice thickness. So wow, this is pretty. Can you guys see all that shimmer to it? Oh my goodness, look at you guys. OMG. So again, the colors are beautiful mermaid. Oh my gosh, this one's so beautiful. Look at this one. That's more of a mermaid. Oh my goodness, I love them. Beautiful, beautiful. This is like a rainbow. Oh my gosh. So faux leather, you could do so much with them. You could sew, you could do wallets, you could do, oh my goodness, like for these creations, to do something with these, it's endless creations with these. So oh my goodness. So I will list everything down on the description below so you guys could go over and check it out. Also, I just do want to mention that Beebeecraft also has a YouTube program where if you have over 100 subscribers, you do YouTube videos and you are willing to promote their products. Basically, you email them and let them know you're interested and they will consider you. I will link that on the description below as well, and it's the YouTube program. Anything you purchase with Beebeecraft over $25, you usually get free shipping. That's an awesome thing to have, because now with shipping overseas and everything, it's pretty expensive. So that is awesome to have. And anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch this haul video, and we will see you guys on our next video with the project share with Beebeecraft items. Thank you again, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.